Oh my God!
There you go. There you go.
I don't know. I got two!
I think it was mine.
Oh, that is still mine. Please tell me this is that is totally mine.
No, then I still have something down there.
Hey, I caught two!
That's a good arm workout.
Oh, I don't want me. Come on!
Yep. If you ain't been down there long, you ain't got no bait, I promise you that.
Triggerfish are chewing.
Another trigger. This guy was using live bait, so he's going to have something pretty decent come up with that, I'm sure.
You catch a shark?
Oh yeah. It's going to be a grouper, you think?
Is that our big
I
snapper?
got seaweed.
His bait was about the size of a piece of pizza. That's a good way to judge it, I guess. Gag grouper.
Oh shit! That thing's huge.
Can I keep that?
Look at that big.
That's 22 all day.
What is that?
Gag grouper.
24, isn't it?
It looks like a leopard. That's a huge
Good
fish.
catch.
That's a huge fish.
We'll bring out the measuring stick. Make sure he's legal.
It's pretty. It looks like a leopard.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, keep.
In the bucket.
Nice. Thank you. Got one in the pocket, baby.
Well, hey, what was the bait that you used on that one?
Ruby.
Yeah? Live bait, huh? That's how to do
Are you
it.
using rubies?
Live action.
Lane.
What is that?
At the
A lane?
A lane? Is that a snapper?
Yeah.
All
Red
right.
Snapper with racing
A
stripes.
keeper, huh?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Another one in the bucket. A nice one this time, man. That's gonna be another grouper. Live action. Right here on the time, Bandit.
I'm just playing with my. I've even tried to hold it.
Red snapper. I heard a red snapper.
That thing's huge.
Wow.
Look at that.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Big ass red snapper. Yeah.
The size of that joker.
That's what you get when you come there and snap.
He just caught another one.
It was. I think maybe
Unfortunately, folks, it's not snapper season, so we have to let that one go. Dang. Here's a trigger.
You can just take my truck.
Get some more bait.
I know, it's a lot of bait in there.
Yep. She's got a nice one on. Let's see what she gets. Yep. Big trigger. Already on?
Already got one. Pretty small for what it was. I feel like I just got bait or something. Hope he's not in the shields. No!
Got off.
Got off. Oh, wow.
I ain't seen it.
Red snapper.
He ran like hell for 2 seconds, I'll tell you that much.